Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a viral social media content with Grok AI. So let's get started. Do you want a viral post? Grok AI is your secret weapon. First, you need to choose your vibe. Is it funny, inspiring, educational? Tell the Grok the vibe you want for your content. Like this, write a funny tweet about the productivity. Then you need to give it a hook. Viral equals to scroll stopping hooks. Ask Grok to generate a scroll hooks or opening lines. Like for this. Give me a 5 viral TikTok hooks for self care and content. Then you can also add a visual cues. You can tell the group what kind of visuals go with, like the captions, the emojis, or even the background ideas. You can prompt the Hook AI to generate an IG caption with matching emojis and hashtag of the beach reel. Then, one prompt multiple platforms. You can ask the group to repurpose a post for TikTok, Reels, X, and Threads. Viral content isn't luck, it's prompt strategy. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.